The song Come Thou Long Expected Jesus by Meredith Andrews from her album Receive Our King is a real high energy, kind of take on an older song. There are multiple acoustics in the song actually, but there's kind of like two real key parts and we're able to cover those very easily. However, we're going to take some of the concepts of what the other guitar is doing and bringing it into the solo acoustic section if you want to do that. The electric guitar, very simple, just like a couple clear, like real obvious riffs, and then we're kind of doing some unique voicings, also kind of sharing some of what the acoustic guitar is doing to fill out the rest of the song. It's very simple to play, but some of the changes are kind of longer, so just be aware of that. And go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. We have three intros that are all built off of the same idea. We're just going to take them all in this section because they're all essentially the same. They just kind of add on to it. So your main riff is going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the main idea. So let's go ahead and look up at that. We're going to start out barring on your E and B on the 17th fret. We're going to hammer from that B string onto the 19th fret of the B. So 1 and 2 and. Once again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then we take that position and drop it down so we're barring the 10th fret and do the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's lead intro 1. Now the second time we play the same thing. We're just emphasizing the chord change afterwards. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. So on that and, we're going to put our pointer finger on 15, and you can just keep the bar in place because then you have your ring finger on the 17th of the B. And we do that push. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Drop to 10. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2. And then on this 2 and, you're going to put your pointer finger on the B and your ring finger on the E with your ring finger on the 10th. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's your second intro. Finally, your third one, we're going to do the same opening riff. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. So there's that little riff there. So we're hammering 2, and you can see on your tabs 1 and 2 and a 3. So on the and a 3, we're going to pluck our 17th fret, hammer onto 19, and then pluck our 20. And then we just go backwards. And then land on that 9th or 20th of the, that's a 15, 17, sorry, the 19th of the G. So once again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. And we repeat that. And those are our three main riffs. I've got loops of all those down below. One thing I will mention is that we do combine it in the tag. We're going to talk about that separately with some chords as well. So work on those, make sure you got them all down, and then let's go ahead and take a look at verse 1. 2, 3, 4.